It is so difficult to think about anything besides the size of this set. I mean, look at this, diagonally. Maybe like an NBA player has the wingspan for that, but this is all screen. I'm not even sure where my eyes are supposed to be looking. I think I have to turn on a movie to get a real sense of their performance.
The 98-inch QN100B is an evolution of the Samsung QN90B, one of the company's flagship 4K smart TV models available this year. Yet the QN90B configurations max out at 85 inches, which for some people simply might not be enough screen.
Samsung is making it possible to bring the movie theater home if you have $40,000. This is the company's biggest QLED TV yet, measuring 98 inches. Paired with mini LED backlighting and beefy speakers, and this might have just ruined all regular-sized TVs for me.
The set features 4 HDMI ports with 120Hz support housed in a One Connect box that's intended for concealed cable management. If you position the TV on a central stand, the One Connect box tucks conveniently into an entertainment cabinet. You could also mount the set, and since it's less than 1 inch thick, it'll sit flush to the wall. I actually saw this TV mounted at Cedia in Dallas just after it was initially announced, but the show floor just didn't do it justice. Seeing it in a space more similar to a living room size, the 98-inch screen is truly a spectacle. Watching one of my favorite films of the year, Top Gun: Maverick, I was beginning to get a sense of the QN100B's mini LED panel. When controlled properly, mini LED results in rich HDR performance with precise dimming zones. Samsung's Neural Quantum Processor 4K is the brains behind the operation, tasked with balancing the TV's motion handling and brightness abilities. Samsung advertises 5,000 nits peak brightness, or double the brightness of the QN90A. That was one of the best TVs we ever tested in terms of brightness, so if the QN100B is actually significantly brighter, that would be impressive. We haven't lab tested it, but the TV seemed seriously bright even when I watched against the room's overhead LED lighting. I imagine it would hold up quite well in rooms with natural light too. One concern with these brightness levels is control. In shadowy scenes, I saw a bit of struggle with contrast around the actors' heads. There were also occasional moments of artifacting on ground scenes too, though surprisingly the set handled the motions of the aircrafts extremely well. Whether it was spinning helicopter propellers, mission practice runs, or a high-stakes dogfight, none of the movie's action was compromised. Better yet, the big screen provided great clarity. I clearly saw the textures of the naval uniforms, the barely there stubble on Tom Cruise's face, the details of the cockpits, and more. I guess you don't miss out on nuances when you're watching a near 100-inch TV. The Samsung QN100B features 120-watt, 644-channel sound with Dolby Atmos, leveraging an upgraded version of the company's object tracking sound technology called Cinema Object Tracking Sound. While OTS on Samsung's other TVs has proven effective on a screen this size, the movement of the sounds across the screen is further emphasized. Throughout Top Gun: Maverick, my ears followed the jets racing across North Island skies. While I watched the film via Blu-ray player, the Samsung QN100B TV is also an independent smart TV with access to dozens of streaming apps through the Tizen platform. The apps range from streaming services to sports content to fitness programs. This TV also has Samsung's gaming hub and its library of cloud gaming services. This TV comes with the latest version of Samsung's Eco Remote that not only supports solar charging but also a USB-C connector. It's rather slim and uniform in design with a minimalistic button array. It also features 4 dedicated launchers for Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, Prime Video, and Disney Plus. If you use these services frequently, this remote will seem especially useful. With a ridiculously high price, the Samsung QN100B Neo QLED TV is not the TV I'd recommend for most people. A projector is a much more cost-effective option for getting the biggest screen possible. Plus, we haven't been able to lab test this set, so we don't know how it truly compares to the other mini LED TVs we've reviewed this year. That said, if you're a premium customer with a large living room, look no further for your ultimate AV splurge. If you had the $40,000 to spend, would it be on this? Be sure to let me know on Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok at Tom's Guide or at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.